Lust starts as a spark, innocent, harmless, even exciting. But for many, that spark grows into a wildfire that burns discipline, focus, and purpose. What starts as curiosity slowly becomes a cage. Today, I'll take you through the 5 levels of lust addiction, from the first glance to the point where your mind no longer feels like your own. And once you understand where you are, you'll finally know how to break free. Level 1, curiosity. It begins with curiosity, a simple click, a short video, a quick look. You tell yourself it's nothing, that you can stop anytime. But the brain learns fast. It connects pleasure with what you see, and before you even realize it, desire becomes a pattern. The seed is planted. Each time you feed it, it grows stronger, and control starts to slip away. Level 2, craving. This is when the urge returns again and again. You start seeking it when you're bored, lonely, or stressed. It becomes your escape, a quick hit of dopamine that gives short pleasure but long emptiness. Your brain starts whispering, just once more, and soon that voice becomes a command. Level 3, dependence. At this stage, it's no longer something you want, it's something you need. Without it, you feel restless, unmotivated, distracted, your energy drops, your drive fades, your focus shatters. You lose interest in real people, real goals, and real emotions. You begin to live in fantasy and forget what real connection feels like. Level 4, identity loss. You start hating what you've become. You hide, you lie, you promise yourself to stop, but end up falling again. The shame eats you alive, and the guilt becomes your comfort. You start to believe that this is who you are, that you're broken beyond repair. But that's the lie your addiction wants you to believe. Level 5, awakening. This is where true transformation begins. You finally realize that lust is not pleasure, it's control. It steals your energy, your confidence, your masculinity, your soul. And in that moment of awareness, something powerful happens. You start to fight back. You turn your pain into purpose, your urges into strength, and your discipline into freedom. The same brain that enslaved you can now set you free.